Welcome back. Now, another application that you will have available to you that has been in place for some time but may be unfamiliar to you is called Microsoft OneNote. And Microsoft OneNote is a way of archiving specific content in specific categories. It's different from Microsoft List and your Microsoft To Do. However, it has some of those features. And one of the things you'll notice is that Microsoft OneNote does not come with templates because the idea is for you to customize your own information retrieval system inside of OneNote. We will now create a new notebook. Now, OneNote is like any of the other applications. You will be auto-saving to OneDrive. You will have access to your notebooks on your mobile device and anything connected to your Microsoft 365 account. And there is a desktop application where you can operate the same files that you have available in the free cloud-based version. One aspect of Microsoft OneNote is that it is designed for you to use handwriting recognition inside of the application. Whether you do your handwriting using a stylus on your mobile device or you use your desktop computer, you can write directly to a specific OneNote. One thing you'll want to note is that converting ink to text is not currently possible in OneNote for the web. And so what you'll need to do in order to have that feature available is you'll need to have the desktop application in order to do it. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.